guys, it's Callie from callieandjordansquad, and today I'm going to be opening up day 20, 21, and 22.
Yes, we're going to be opening up days number 20, 21, 22 of the Lego Friends Advent Calendar. So let's see if we can find them. There's not many more days left.
Yep.
So today is the 22nd, so after today, there'll be how many more days?
2.
2, yeah, 23 and 24. So it should be easy to find 20. Can you find number 20?
It's right here.
With the heart. Let's see what we're going to get. We're going to get a tree or something?
Bush.
Let's take a look.
Looks easy to build. Okay, let's see what we get in 21.
Okay, day number 21 now. Can we find it? Can you find it, Callie?
Yep.
We've already opened it because we opened it by mistake. And it's a couple presents. Or at least it looks like a couple presents, right?
It's 2, but yeah.
2 presents? That's a couple. All right, now we're going to open up day number 22. Well, what are we going to get? Looks like a
chair.
Must be more than a chair.
Santa Claus chair.
I'm not sure what that's supposed to be.
Okay, well, you're going to build it and see what it is.
Let's take a closer look at it. So that's what it looks like. Looks like a purple heart. And I'm not sure. If you guys know what it is, well, comment down below what you think that is going to be. I don't know. All right, Callie's going to try and make the Christmas tree-ish thing.
Yeah, it's 20, so you have to make. So I'm gonna make it first.
All right. Will she be able to do it? Yeah, so all those would connect to one. And then you put the 4th one down as well.
Oh, yeah.
Because there's 4. And now you also get these pretty cool translucent lights, or you put them on the branches. So it's like a snowflake. It's probably a snowflake.
Yeah.
That's wintry, right?
Yeah.
All right, what goes on next?
Just a bunch of these.
All right. And then this piece right here would go in the center.
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's see. Do you think I could build one and hold it in my hand? I don't think so.
I want you to try though, because I want to see you.
You do? Okay, you have to open up the bag for me.
That's challenge number 1.
You open the bag for me. I'll see if I can build it. What day is this one?
Oh, I actually opened it.
Oh, look at that.
Okay.
You actually opened it. Oh, you're not even going to
No, you have to do that.
make things difficult for me.
So it's that one.
Oh, it's the presents.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see if I can do it. So we need these 2 pieces. And then the white piece right in the middle. And then we have... So I think this would go like this. Oh, don't have it in shot. Uh-oh. Okay, and then this. And I need another piece that has that too. So it would go like that. And then this piece goes like that with
I already made mine.
oh.
It didn't have that one, but there's an extra one, so I put it right there.
Okay, well, pretty cool. So day number 20 brings us a snowflake
Yep.
that Callie just broke. And I'm trying to make this. Oh, I'm gonna try and make these presents.
Oh no, you took the easy one.
Oh.
I was a joke.
All right, we'll be back.
So
Okay, guys, I just want to show this. So you put the purple, the white, and purple, and then you put the 3 rectangular piece, and then you put the 2 rectangular piece, and then the 1 with a little with this thing here. That's where you put the that's where you put your ribbon to hang it. Okay, so let's see what else we need. So it looks like we need one of these right here. Callie's dropping pieces and then covering mine up. All right, so I guess we also need this piece, and then a piece that looks like a male, but we don't have that piece. Oh, maybe we do. It could be in there.
Good job.
Which is right there. Look at that. We do have it.
I'm gonna try not to drop any more things. Ow. This thing? What's that?
What's what?
That piece. Is it that? Is that that?
I think so. Which one?
This. And then there's also that one.
I think it's that one.
This one?
I think so.
Okay.
Try it.
Which way does it?
All right, we're gonna finish building these and we'll be right back. All right, so day number 20 brought us the Spinorama snowflake,
Yeah.
which is pretty cool. Let's take a look at it, Callie. Can you pick it up and show both sides? So there's the one. Oh, no, hold on. You went too fast. Okay, so there's the one side. And there's the other side. Pretty cool.
And here's one that spins.
And it spins really good. Spins really good, actually.
Yeah, it's a top.
It's like a top. All right. Here's the one present. So we got a purple present. And then we got a pink present with a star on the top. So with that, we got an extra star, so in case we lose it. And the one thing that we didn't know what it was a kitchen mixer. So it's like a KitchenAid. So you can mix all your cookies and your muffins, whatever sweets you're having. All right. So this is days number 20, 21, 22. Which one was your favorite, Callie?
This one.
I was gonna say, I think it's the snowflake, but I think it's because it's like a spinner.
Yeah, and it's also because you wouldn't normally get this, like in an advent calendar.
No, it's pretty cool. So it's a cool decoration you can put on a tree, and then it's also, when it's not on the tree, you can still play with it.
Yeah, like the tic-tac-toe board.
Like the tic-tac-toe board. All right, I'd say my favorite is I think my favorite's the snowflake as well. I'm not sure. The kitchen mixer for day
weird.
number 22. It's kind of strange for it being on
maybe
the advent
a
calendar.
plate of cookies, maybe, but not a mixer.
At least add a cookie or something to it. The presents are cool. But you also get those in in the Lego City Advent calendars.
Yeah.
But this one, I guess you can put on the tree because it has a place for the ribbon. But my favorite's going to be the snowflake.
The top.
The top snowflake. Alright, so remember to subscribe to the Callie and Jordan Squad. Hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Smash that thumbs up button. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Was it the snowflake? Was it the presents? Was it the KitchenAid mixer? Actually, it's not KitchenAid, so I shouldn't say that. It's the kitchen mixer. And share family, friends. Until next time.
Bye.
Peace out.